Barcelona is waking up, ladies and gentlemen.
It's 4 o'clock in the morning and Barcelona feels like a different world. The residential passages stretches endlessly. Long corridors between these towering buildings. All the shops are shuttered, streets are empty. No voices, no movement. It's just me in the heart of a city that is usually alive with energy. But right now, it feels forgotten.
Tiles are so slippery. I keep flipping. Yeah. Yo.
And a police car creeped on me as it slowly passed. For a brief moment, I felt safer. But strangely, I also felt a little bit uncomfortable. Feeling safe and feeling a little bit unsafe at the same time. I am not even sure which feelings to trust.
Oh, early hours of the morning. Streets of Barcelona. This is the passages. We are now in the deep residential area.
Just like a lonely taxi that just drove past me. You can hear the tire humming softly against the pavement. The sound echoes through the narrow corridor as if the walls themselves are listening. Like this panel van, the kind of vans you expect to see in the movies. And it moves slowly, creeping through the narrow passages. And quietly it disappears, leaving behind nothing but silence. The towering lines of city rising into darkness. In cities like this, every choice feels like a story waiting to happen. The narrow passages open, the city gives way to water. Welcome to Barcelona Harbor. This is not a parking lot of cars, but of floating luxury. Massive yachts quietly on the water, lined up like sleeping giants, a silent display of wealth.
Check the beauty, guys. I'm being honest, guys. How do you have this beauty?
Soon this space will be filled with noises, coffee cups, morning conversations. But right now, they belong to silence. Right above me, the cable car tower rises into the early light, waiting for the day to begin. Early buses roll through the streets. Familiar yellow and black taxi begins to return. The city is waking, one movement at a time. Even the tropical pine trees sway gently as the wind begins, and then it comes into my view. Iconic W Hotel, rising like a sail against the shoreline, guiding the eye towards the edge of the city.
This wind is too strong. It's blowing me away all the way.
The kind of place that turns a simple walk into a movement worth remembering.
Barcelona is waking up, ladies and gentlemen.
As the wind grows stronger, the ocean announcing itself long before I could fully see it.
Guys, I need one favor from you. Just do this one thing for me. Click that like button. I really appreciate you guys so much.
I've reached the edge of Barcelona, but nature always has the final word. The wind has grown too strong now, and the heavy rain is coming. I have to stop filming.
Smoking on the beach is prohibited. Don't say it. They are so strict. Smoking on the beach, prohibited.